All right, guys, so we're at Philly Steak and Fresh Lemonade here in Maryville, Indiana. We're about an hour southeast of the city of Chicago on Route 30. And this place I found a couple of years ago, and it is just absolutely amazing. I mean, if you're gonna put the name of the food you cook on your menu or on your sign, you better be good, right? So I'm gonna head back to the hotel and open this package up and show you what we've got. But cheesesteak and fresh lemonade in Maryville, Indiana, one of my favorites. All right, guys, so we made it back to the room. The ride back was not a whole lot of fun because the food smelled really good, but we made it, and so just wanted to show you guys what you get at cheesesteak and fresh lemonade. So I'm gonna turn this camera around. Okay, so first here is the fresh lemonade, and I think one of the worst brain freezes I ever had in my life, to the point where I contemplated calling the ambulance. I guess it probably wasn't that bad, but it kind of felt that bad at the time, was from this place, because I was enjoying it so much I didn't take into consideration how cold it was and how that was going to affect the roof of my mouth. So anyway, I'm going to take off the fruit there. They'll give you some fruit. I got a couple straws, but these are like homemade. They keep them out back. You always see when you order it, you see them come from the back, like they've pulled out of a refrigerator or a freezer or something like that. And it's just, they're incredible. They're just like, I don't know, man. They've got tons and tons of flavor, a bunch of care went into it, and it is a fresh lemonade. It's frozen, it's got some ice in it, so we'll definitely be enjoying that. But to the main course. So there it is, man. I've had Philly cheesesteaks in Philadelphia, and they're good. I would compare this to that. The meat is perfect. Cheese is perfect. I opt out of lettuce and tomatoes, which they do offer as a standard. This one's got peppers and mushrooms and onions, and I like a little bit of mayo on my bread for the Philly cheesesteak. But these things are just amazing. So I'm gonna stop talking and start eating here. So thanks for checking us out. Remember Philly cheesesteak. Hey there, thanks for hanging out with me at cheesesteak and fresh lemonade in Maryville, Indiana. Definitely one of Randy's favorites. And again, I'm gonna stop talking and start eating. So thanks for watching Pete's RV TV. Look forward to seeing you on the road. Happy camping.